Before we start, let me show you up the final preview. See here, I have a box which moves from left to right and rotates to 360-degree angle and changes its colors from red to yellow. This animation gonna loop forever. Let me show you up another example. See here, I have a box which changes its opacity, that is, its transparency level. It's lighter, then gets darker, darker and darker. These are pretty basic examples to learn the CSS3 animation property. So let's get started now. Here I have already opened up Adobe Dreamweaver CS6 and the document on which we are going to work. Let me first insert a div. So div with the idea of box. Let me just close this div. Now let's style this div with our CSS. Let me go to head section as I am using internal style sheet. Let me close this styling tag. Box. Now width and height for this box I want this to be 200 pixels. Background color, let me have any background color. Say I choose this one. Let me have margin from top to be 50 pixels. Position, let me have is absolute. So I want this box absolutely positioned in relation to body of document. Now let's come to animation properties. Animation name, I want is moving box. Animation duration, I want is 5 seconds. Animation timing function, I want is linear, that is with the same speed. Animation iteration count, I want is infinite. This means name of animation is moving box. The duration I have specified is 5 seconds. Timing function, it's linear. Animation iteration count infinite means I want to loop my animation infinite times. I can also give the value as 1, 2 or how many times I want to loop my animation. Now we can also specify in shorthand property. Let me just remove this detailed specification and show you the shorthand method for the same. Say animation. First name of animation I want is moving box. Then speed curve I want is linear. Timing function I want is 5 seconds. Then I want to loop it for infinite times, that is iteration count. It's a CSS3 property. So let me add necessary prefix before it. Say WebKit for Chrome and Safari. Just copy and paste the same property again. And Mozilla for Mozilla Firefox. Just paste up the same property again. Right now I'm using prefix for only these browsers, but you should have all the necessary prefix for all the browsers and a regular syntax also. Say O for Opera, MS for Internet Explorer. This is just how we want our animation to be. Now let's start giving animation. @keyframes. Now the name of my animation, it's moving box, opening and closing curly braces. As the animation property works on keyframes, like as we have in Adobe Flash software. Now from left 90%, transform, rotate 0 degree, to left 10%, transform, rotate 360 degree, this means that I want to move my box from left 90% to left 10%. That is from left to right. And when we are at 90%, I want my box to rotate 0 degree. And when it reaches to 10%, it should rotate 360 degree. This is a CSS3 property. So again we should have necessary prefix before it. Let me just copy it and paste it again and have necessary prefix WebKit for Chrome and Safari. Again before this transform property, it is also a CSS3 property. Let me have same for Mozilla Firefox also. Instead of WebKit, let me have Moz now. Let's save up this much and let's preview now. First, let me preview in Chrome. See, now we have our animated box which moves from left to right and rotates to 360 degree angle. Now let's play with background color of this box. Say at 90%, I wanna have background color to be red, and to 10% I want background color to be yellow. Let me have the same for other browsers also. Let's preview now. First, let me preview in Chrome. See now our animated box changes its colors from red to yellow, and in between these keyframes we have orange color, the mixture of red and yellow color. Now let's also preview in Firefox. The same results we have. Now rather than moving from left to right, I just want to change the opacity of this box. So let me just remove this animation and have another one. Say at 0%. I want opacity to be 0 and at 100% I want opacity to be 1. Again, this is a regular syntax. Let me have it for Chrome also. And have WebKit as my prefix. Let's save up this much and let's preview now. See now we have our box which changes its opacity, that is its transparency level. It's lighter, then it gets darker and darker. So this is how CSS3 animation property works. So this is done friends, and if you want to learn these subjects directly from me, do contact me. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day.